Good morning, everyone, to another nature walk. It is beautiful outside today, about probably 76, 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are in a local state park. It's actually in a state. Really, really cool. So pretty. Bentley's got his little bandana. He's ready for adventures today, and we are going to see what we see on this beautiful walk. He's all protected from fleas and ticks, and we are just super excited to see what we see, like this pretty tree. I want to do some research. I'm not sure what this tree is called, but it looks so pretty in the sunlight. The grounds at this park are just beautiful. I just wanted to look at these little, I guess, dandelions. They're so pretty. Ooh, Bentley's going to sniff too. And the bark on this tree. So pretty. Alright, so the goal is to make it over there across that big street, because there is a little pathway that looks really cool that we want to check out. So let's go. Boots is really excited to be on such a big walk, right, buddy? Okay, hold on, let's get safe. Make sure there's no cars coming. Okay, let's go. It's actually a really cool, house over there. I guess used to be some sort of estate. Isn't this so pretty? I love just an overgrown gate. So pretty. All right, let's see. Here's the pathway. Come on, Boots. Let's go. Ooh, a little bridge. We love a bridge. Is there water down there? Oh, it's a little dry. Oh, no, there's water. There's a stream. Uh-oh. I don't know. I think my battery might have died. But look. There's a stream. Oh, you can see it better on this side. Pretty. Okay, let's keep going. Good out here. Look how green. This tree is cool. And I love how the sun just peeks through all of the green. Look. These are beautiful. I won't touch it because I don't know what it is. Look how pretty. Wait, let's see if I can get my phone out and find out what it is. Let's see. So, mullein, it says Verbascum is a genus of over 450 species of flowering plants, common name mullein, in the figwort family. They are native to Europe and Asia, with the highest species diversity in the Mediterranean. Oh, it's actually a medicinal plant. Wow. It looks pretty cool. If I was a little bit more adventurous, I'd walk through something like that. But let's just see what's at the end here, and then maybe we'll turn around. What was that, buddy? Oh, there's another little bridge. Come on, Boots, let's go see what the bridge is, where it takes us. Come on. Oh, what is that smell? Oh, it's jasmine. There it is. Let's see if I can zoom, because I see it and I smell it. It's right there, right behind this tree. There's a huge jasmine bush and it smells so good. Come on, Boots, let's keep going. Whoops, looks like Boots has got some business to do. So we'll be right back. Okay, back from our little break. Bootsy is just enjoying all of this grass, and we made it to this little covered bridge that covers this little stream. But honestly, from here it looks like the path gets a little bit more rugged, and only because I don't know what kind of wildlife is out here. We won't go alone. But look how pretty. There's a little creek. A little stream, I should say. I definitely hear like little things moving around in the grass. And in the bush, right, buddy? We don't know what's back here. There's some cool logs over there. Lots of pretty wildflowers. But we will save further exploring back here for another day. So come on, Boots. We'll explore when we're not alone. Come on, buddy. Let's head back. I just left the patches of sunlight on all the green. So pretty. Bootsy, over here. All right, come on. Oh, look how pretty that is inside. Wait, let's see. pretty that is in there. Come on, buddy. We have to find out what this is. Oh, there's even a big ant on there. He's like making his way, doing his thing. This is so pretty. Let's find out what it is. Southern arrowwood. Interesting. Species of small shrub plant. Native to the eastern United States and Canada. Like most viburnum, it has opposite, simple leaves and fruit and berry-like drupes. Foliage turns yellow to red in late fall. Very cool. Southern arrowwood. Okay, come on, buddy. Let's keep going. Come on, buddy. More jasmine. And these are pretty too, some sort of wildflower. Bentley, what did you find? You've got your nose all in something. Come on. Back over the bridge. Oh, there's lots of jasmine. Is that what that is for sure? Let's see. Oh, I don't smell anything, so maybe that's not jasmine. I think it might be honeysuckle. Maybe honeysuckle. Either way, how pretty. Come here, Boots. Bootsy. There we go. That's just such a pretty shot. Such a pretty scene. Okay, come on, buddy. Come on. We gotta hurry because you gotta go get back and get some water. It's getting warm out here, huh? Alright, so we are just about back to where we started, so we are going to end our nature walk here for today, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.